Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 15 by 15 heat press machines available on the market. Whether you're a hobbyist or running a small business, these machines have something to offer when it comes to quality and performance. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the VEVOR 5-in-1 heat press machine. This is one of the most affordable multifunction heat presses in our lineup, making it perfect for beginners or small-scale creators. With its 15 by 15-inch heating plate, the VEVOR 5-in-1 offers plenty of space for custom projects on t-shirts, tumblers, mugs, hats, and plates. It also comes equipped with a 360-degree swing-away design, ensuring safe operation and even pressure distribution. The inclusion of 4 extra attachments makes it a versatile tool, ideal for those who want to experiment with a variety of crafts. In terms of design, the VEVOR 5-in-1 features a durable aluminum and metal build. The heating plate incorporates double-pipe fast heating technology, ensuring even heat distribution and reducing the risk of hotspots. However, the overall size and weight of the machine may make it less portable, so it's best suited for a dedicated workspace. While the machine's temperature range is impressive, reaching up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, its maximum temperature can sometimes be uneven near the edges. The biggest draw of this machine is its fantastic value for the price. Retailing at $174.98, it's an ideal entry-level option for hobbyists or those starting a small business. That said, its controls can feel a bit basic compared to higher-end models. And some users have mentioned that the swing mechanism feels a little stiff out of the box. But if you're looking for versatility on a budget, this heat press is hard to beat. Coming in at number 4 is the Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press. This is a no-frills, straightforward clamshell heat press that delivers reliable performance at a mid-range price point. Its 15 by 15-inch heating plate is spacious enough for t-shirts, tote bags, and other flat items like mouse pads. The machine's electronic time and heat control system is simple yet effective, allowing you to set precise temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Built with a sturdy steel frame and aluminum heat platen, the Fancierstudio machine offers excellent durability. The silicon pad is lightly glued down for easy replacement, which is a thoughtful touch for long-term maintenance. However, as a clamshell design, it doesn't provide the same level of safety or flexibility as swing-away models. The heat platen can feel a bit close for comfort, so you'll want to be cautious when working around it. The Fancierstudio heat press is best suited for individuals who value simplicity and durability. While it lacks the bells and whistles of multifunctional machines, its straightforward operation makes it a reliable choice for personal use or small-scale production. On the downside, it doesn't include additional attachments for mugs or hats, so it's somewhat limited in scope. If you're looking for a well-built, no-nonsense heat press, this one is worth considering. At number 3, we have the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine. This innovative model stands out with its hands-free operation, automatically adjusting to your project's thickness and releasing the plate when the timer ends. This feature ensures consistent, professional quality transfers and eliminates the risk of overpressing. The machine also heats up quickly, reaching 320 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 minutes, making it an efficient choice for high-volume production. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press is thoughtfully designed with safety in mind. Its drawer-style platform keeps your hands far from the hot plate, and an auto shut-off feature activates after 15 minutes of inactivity. The build quality is solid, and the machine's compact design makes it a great fit for home studios. However, its 1-inch thickness limit might not accommodate bulkier items, so it's best used for standard apparel and flat projects. This machine is perfect for users looking to scale their production or start a side hustle. Its automation features save time and reduce user error, making it ideal for busy crafters. While its price is slightly higher than basic models, the convenience and precision it offers justify the investment. Just keep in mind that it doesn't come with additional attachments for mugs or hats, so it's focused on flat heat transfer projects. Taking second place is the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2, a step up from the previous model. With adjustable pressure settings and a higher heating height of up to 1.77 inches. This added versatility means you can work on thicker items like hoodies and other bulkier materials. The adjustable pressure ensures that every transfer is flawless, even for intricate designs or DTF projects. This machine excels in performance and usability. It features a dual-tube heating engine that ensures fast and even heat distribution, cutting down on wait times and minimizing the risk of uneven transfers. The angle-adjustable display screen is a nice ergonomic touch, and the auto-release function lets you multitask without worrying about overpressing. Like its predecessor, it also features an auto shutoff for added safety. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 is perfect for advanced crafters and small business owners who need precision and adaptability. Its compact design makes it a good fit for smaller workspaces, and its safety features make it an excellent choice for home use. However, its premium features come at a higher price point, and like the previous model, it doesn't include accessories for mugs or hats. If you're looking to elevate your craft or business, this machine is a fantastic option. And finally, at the top of our list is the VEVOR 8-in-1 heat press machine. This premium model is the most versatile in our lineup, offering 8 different functions, including attachments for t-shirts, hats, mugs, and plates. Its 360-degree swing-away design ensures even pressure distribution while minimizing the risk of accidental burns. The digital control panel is intuitive and allows for precise temperature and time adjustments, making it perfect for professional-level projects. The build quality is exceptional, with a durable silicone-coated heating plate and dual-tube heating technology for even temperature distribution. The machine's safety features are also top-notch, with dual insulation that keeps the surface temperature low even during extended use. While it's slightly heavier at nearly 40 pounds, the added weight contributes to its overall stability during operation. At $199.99, the VEVOR 8-in-1 is the most expensive option in this list, but its versatility and performance make it worth the investment. It's an excellent choice for small business owners and serious crafters who need a reliable, multifunctional machine. The only downside is that its numerous attachments can make setup slightly more complex. But once you're familiar with it, it's a breeze to use. If you want a heat press that can handle almost any project, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right heat press machine for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Have questions about any of these machines? Drop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.